Data cleaning. You may have heard of this word and you are unsure what it actually means. Like, it's not that data is on the floor and you're going to clean it with a brush. Just kidding, let's see what it actually means. Here I have some dirty data and I'm going to show you the data cleaning process. First of all, what I do is to remove any extra rows or columns. So currently we have these three extra rows because they do not have any data. So we're going to delete them. The next step in the data cleaning process is to remove any duplicates in your data because that's going to occur the most. Here you can see in seller ID you have this 5 and this 5, but you should not look at only one column, you should look at the other columns as well. And you can see that the first row and the second row is completely identical, which means we have data duplication. So I'm going to delete any one of the rows. After looking duplicates in the rows, you have to look at duplicates in the columns as well. For instance, if you look at the profit column, you have these values, and in the yield column you have the exactly same values. And also, if you don't know, profit and yield are synonyms, which means that we have a duplicate column. So we're going to delete this particular column as well. Now we're going to set the data types of different data. Usually you're going to select the numerical columns and they're going to have data type errors. Like for this one, if I go, you can see it is a text data type. I'm going to click on here and I'm going to click on number, so the data type is fixed. The last thing is to set the structural errors. Like in here you can see the east spelling is wrong, which you can set it manually, but if you have a large set of data you can just simply click on find and replace, and you're going to type what you are trying to find and you're going to enter the replacement values. Click on replace, and now your data is completely clean and the data cleaning process is completed.